In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your wireless mic to speaker. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up any Shure wireless microphone that you have and how to properly connect it to a speaker. So first, turn off the microphone. Ensure that the microphone or body pack is turned off. Next, plug in the power supply. The channel display should light up. Now, press and hold the channel button and wait for the display to flash. If you see that the busy indicator is flashing, change the channel. When the display stops flashing, you can move on. So now install the battery and press the power button to turn on the handheld or body transmitter pack. Check the channel. Make sure that the transmitter and the receiver are displaying the same channel. Once you see the red ready LED on the receiver light up, you will be able to perform an audio test. So essentially, just make sure that everything is turned on. And once you connect them both to the same channel, they will be working together. So you will be able to use any Shure wireless microphone that you have on any compatible speaker. You just need to make sure to turn it on, double check the channel, and as long as the channel is the same across all devices, they are going to work in conjunction. So if this doesn't work, I recommend turning everything off and double checking all of the steps. So once again, in summary, plug the power supply, choose the channel, so press and hold the channel button. If you see the busy indicator flashing, change the channel, wait for the display to stop flashing until it is selected, and then install the battery, turn on the transmitter, and check the channel again. If the transmitter and the receiver are displaying the same channel, then you will be good to go and the microphone is going to work flawlessly between those devices. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect your wireless mic to speaker. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.